Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Wise account with QuickBooks. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now, if you use Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, for business transactions and want to sync it with QuickBooks for easy accounting, there's a few things that you need to know. Now, the great thing about Wise here is they actually have a step-by-step tutorial here or an article here that we can refer to connect our Wise account to QuickBooks. So first things first is you want to go and just open up your QuickBooks account in your web browser. Now you want to navigate to the banking tab, which in this case is where you manage your linked accounts. Now from then on, in the top right corner, you want to click on add account, and at the search bar, so a search bar will appear here, type Wise to find the correct option for you. Now you may see multiple Wise options for different countries, so choose the one that matches your business location. Next is you want to go and log in into your Wise account. Now, after you've actually logged in, you want to go and choose which Wise account you want to link. So you have multiple, if you have like multiple accounts, make sure to select the correct one. And from then on, this ensures QuickBooks full transaction from your correct account. Now, QuickBooks will automatically select the default currency based on your country. So if you manage multiple currencies in Wise, you can change the selected balance to another currency. Now, from then on, choose the start date from which you want QuickBooks to begin pulling Wise transactions. Now, if you want to import older transactions, select an earlier date, and otherwise choose a recent date to keep things simple. Now, from then on, you want to go and click Connect to complete the process, and QuickBooks will sync your Wise transactions automatically, and you'll be able to track, categorize, and reconcile transactions directly in QuickBooks. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.